To new students, welcome to Marwadi University. I know what you're feeling. Believe me. I remember my first day when I was coming at Marwadi University, passing through the gate, looking at all these big buildings. I was saying in my mind, oh, I'm now close to the big, beautiful dream I had about my life. But the problem was I had a little things I was scared of. One of them was I didn't know anybody, so I was dropped off the hostel. And to my surprise, I met these two guys, tall and dark, giants. These guys helped me with everything. Admission, process, and getting familiar with the area. I didn't know that the place could help people with such beautiful love. And to you, new students, I want you to feel free about the people here. They are really welcoming. Ask anybody any question. They are there to attend. But I want to make one thing clear, because I know many of you, when you come from many different countries, you have this prejudice. What is it about? The prejudice is about racism. You may think that in India there is racism. To be honest, I've been here for 2 years, and not any single time have I ever experienced racism. No segregation here. This is a civilized society. You're going to enjoy. So whether you think that there is racism, all these kind of notions many people have, you better forget it now once you get in this campus, because this is the big, beautiful one family. And let me tell you something about the university. Marwadi University gives you 4 years away from the society, given maybe you're doing BTech, even 3 years or 5 years or 7 years, whatsoever course you're doing, whether it could diploma, it could be master's or PhD. But the main fact is, it gives you the intellectual freedom of deciding who you want to be, while you're not torturing yourself because you're not doing a productive job yet. You may have heard about this, oh, discover yourself. This is not an overused statement. This is not a cliche. This is the actual reality of Marwadi University. It gives you the opportunity to explore who you want to be. You see, if you have a God-given ability, you will learn to hone into that skill so that you can better serve the society. That is what is about this university, Marwadi University. One more thing that you must know is how to make decisions. I know many of you kindly just jump into decisions, but here's what you learn at Marwadi University. That's kind of what I've learned. Imagine someone comes up to you with some sort of crystals and tells you if you rub them all over your body, you're going to get healed. What are you going to do? Are you going to say, yes, this is what I wanted all this time, please give me? Or you're going to say, no, I don't take those bullshit. That kind of this way of deciding is as equally intellectually lazy to say yes or no. So what does Marwadi University teaches you? It teaches you to ask questions. A wise person asks questions. How many people have been using these crystals? Are there any side effects? Can you show me some of the people? That is the kind of mind you're going to earn at Marwadi University. So you better enjoy your time and the learning. You are learning to become the better you, not just being academically exceptional, but also being skillful. My name is Excel Chiba. I'm the president of Zimbabwean community with over 100 students here at Marwadi University. Enjoy your time. Welcome to Marwadi.